Hello guys, welcome to my channel IT Scholar. Today we will learn about the second part of basics of MS Excel in MS Office 2016, which includes the Quick Access Toolbar. But before we move towards our video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more videos and for more updates. Let's get to the video. So this is the main screen of MS Excel in the 2016 version, as we have already discussed in our previous video. Starting from the very top left corner, the Quick Access Toolbar, which is used for quickly accessing the tools we want to use and get access to them with just one click or without going into settings, in which we have three options by default from MS Excel, such as Save, Undo and Redo, but we can change them by clicking on this down arrow button. The Save button helps us to save the document in our PC or computer system. Let's see how it works. I'm typing a random word. Now I want to save this whole workbook, because if I return back to my PC after restarting it and I want to continue my work from the last time I had left, then this option helps us to save the document and to use it later in the PC, even if the PC is restarted several times. When we hover the mouse, we can see it shows the shortcut key to save the document, and when we click it, it will show an option to save the document in whatever the folder and with whatever the name you want. And when after saving once, it will not show you any option, but it will automatically save the current changes you made in the sheet. Now we have the undo option. This option also has the shortcut key, but we will learn about the shortcuts later in our videos. When we press this button, it will undo or remove the last change we made in the document. Just like I wrote this word, and when I click it, it removes or changes back to its old position. Now this option, as it says redo, when I click this button, it will rechange or revert back to the actual change we made to the document before removing it. Remember, undo will return back the actual data and redo will return back the altered data, just like this. And now, when we click this arrow button, it shows several other options we can use, such as the new option. When we click it, or any option in the given list, it will be shown in the toolbar just like other options. When we click it in the toolbar, it will open a new workbook. As we can see here, this is the new workbook. It created it after clicking it. When we click the open button, it will show us all the current or recently used list of the workbooks or Excel sheets document, just like it is showing us here, and also to access other folders in which we want to access our desired workbook. And when we click one of those, it opens it in another workbook. The quick print button helps us to print without showing any further options or asking for any print changes. It will just print in the default settings as it is. This option is used when you are sure about your document's printing settings. The print preview and print option is used for view the document before printing, that how your written document will look on the printed page. And also it will show us several options about the settings for printing the document. The spelling option helps us to track the wrong words, which do not include in the actual British dictionary. Just like when I write this word, then click the cell and click the spelling option, it will show the list of related words and will help us to choose the correct word with correct spelling. Now we have the ascending order option. This option helps us to ascend or to arrange the scrambled order data, just like when we select this data and press the ascending option. This will become in ascending order from A to G. This is the opposite of ascending order option, the descending order option. This will reverse all the scrambled order data or ascending data to declining or downward order, just like this. The touch or mouse mode helps us to toggle between the usage of mouse pointer or touch system. Just like if we use MS Office 2016 on touch screen computer systems, then this option will bigger the ribbons and other option to be used easily while touching. And if you want to go to mouse system, then select the mouse option. This option right here helps us to change the toolbar position to below the ribbons or above the ribbons by simply right-clicking over here. Then in the end, we have the More Commands option, in which we have tons of options to use as a quick access tool. But we will discuss all of these options in our upcoming videos. This is the email option. When we click this option, it will take us to the emailing screen, through which we can directly send email from MS Excel when we are in rush. Well, that's all for today's lesson. Stay tuned for more videos, and if you like the video, please subscribe the channel and support by liking and sharing the video. Till then, take care and meet you in the next video.